Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn the plural attached pronouns. We're gonna learn how to say things like our house, your house, and their house. Now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to table 1 to learn the plural attached pronouns. Let's start with the first one. Whom, meaning they. And on the right side, whom, meaning their or them depending on the context. So as we can see, there's no difference between the attached form and the detached form of the first one, which makes it really easy to learn. It goes whom. Now let's look at the second one. Hunna, meaning they, but this time feminine plural. And on the right side, hunna, meaning them or their depending on the context. This one's also really easy because again there's no difference between the two forms. It goes hunna. Next we have antum, meaning you, plural. And on the right we have kum, meaning you or your depending on the context. And the next one is antunna, meaning you, plural, but feminine. And on the right side we have kunna, meaning you or your, again depending on the context. And the last one, nahnu, meaning we, and on the right side, na, meaning us or our, again depending on the context. Alright, now that we know the plural attached pronouns, let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1, is their house big? هل بيتهم كبير? Number 2, is their city expensive? هل مدينتهن غالية? Number 3, is your school good? هل مدرستكم جيدة? Number 4, is your apartment cheap? هل شقتكن رخيصة? Number 5, our house is small. بيتنا صغير. Number 6, is your child learning English? هل طفلكم يدرس الإنجليزية? Number 7, is their friend a cook? هل صديقهم طباخ? Number 8, is your neighbor a doctor? هل جاركن طبيب? Number 9, is your dog big? هل كلبكم كبير? Number 10, our neighbor works at a hospital. جارنا يعمل في مستشفى. Number 11, where does your friend work? أين يعمل صديقكن? Number 12, he doesn't work with us. هو لا يعمل معنا. Number 13, their child studies a lot. طفلهم يدرس كثيرا. Number 14, our teacher is good. معلمنا جيد. Number 15, our friend lives in a small village. صديقنا يسكن في قرية صغيرة. Number 16, your friend is at the park right now. صديقكم في الحديقة الآن. Number 17, where is their university? أين جامعتهن? Number 18, is your house big or small? هل بيتكم كبير أم صغير? Number 19, their car is expensive. سيارتهم غالية. And number 20, is their friend a student? هل صديقهن طالب? Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.